2. Trivializing God. There's an old fable about a peddler in Warsaw who had a very hard life. He lived in a miserable hut, worked long hours in freezing weather for very little money, was clothed in ragged garments, and was generally considered to be as hard-working and poor as a man as the angels could find. Some of the angels pleaded with God to do something for the poor man, something wonderful and special. The Lord agreed, and in an instant the peddler was transported from an icy, windy and sub-zero street of Warsaw to heaven itself. He was told that God would give him anything he wanted. "Anything?" asked the amazed peddler. "Anything," said the angels. The peddler thought for a while and finally said, "I'll have a hot cup of coffee and a donut." There was first a shocked gasp from the angels and then embarrassment. The peddler had trivialized God because he himself was trivial. We must be aware of trivializing God. John Newton, in one of his great hymns, says this of prayer: "Thou art coming to a king, large petitions with thee bring. For his grace and power are such, none can ever ask too much, none can ever ask too much." Our Lord tells us, "Ask, and ye shall receive, that your joy may be full." John 16:24.